Yay, I got my Ipsy bag. Okay. So, no, kitty. No, kitty. We don't need you in the video. Okay. When I opened it, hold on. I've already been in it. Just say me and my dog. When I got it, it was this Ipsy bag. And it's like a maroonish lacy color. It's a print. It's not actual lace, but it's awesome. And then the zipper is a bat. So this is going to be the October drawing on my beauty page. So hop on over to Facebook and I can add you as a friend and on to my beauty page. Every live that you share is an entry for this month's drawing. But on the outside of the bag was this Urban Decay 24/7 slide-on eye pencil in Perversion, which from what it shows is dark black. These are all the colors. I've heard a lot about Urban Decay. I haven't done a lot of random makeup trials, so we'll see. And it says steal this look. So this will be interesting. Let's see here. See how it glides. Whoa! Ooh, that goes on so smoothly. It's like gel. Ooh, but it smears. We'll see. We'll see. We'll try it. We're gonna try it. Definitely gonna try it. Okay, let's dig in. The card says, in my defense, the moon was full and I was left unsupervised. So yeah, spellbound. The leaves have turned, the air is cooler, nightfall starts a little sooner each day. Everything feels enchanted, mysterious, and different. We're so bewitched by this eerie time of year and all the change it brings that we're embracing our own transformations too. Swing by Ipsy.com for ideas on easy ways to switch things up, plus everything you need to know about your October glam bag. So, okay. We got this bottle. Can I get it to focus? Okay. Okay. It's First Aid Beauty Fab Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. Safe for sensitive skin. So it just seems to be a lotion cream, hand cream, which I do like. Apply from head to toe as needed. I like to do my hands and my feet because my feet get dry and my hands will because I crochet a lot. So that'll be fun. And things I get from Ipsy, I pick a couple things to go in my giveaway bag. So you might see one of these. So you never know. Okay, DSL Dirty Little Secret. This is an eyeshadow. In the color Bronzed. Bronzed. I've swatched it already, you can see that. Might as well swatch it again now that we are on here. It's just a bronzy color. And I think I've already decided that I'm going to give this in my glam bag because I already have colors like this in multiple options. So this is going to be in your glam bag. Hop on over to my Facebook page and share all my October lives, every single one of them. You don't have to see it live to share. This is an MDM Flow. It has no information on it, no ingredients, no warning signs. It is a clear tube with this on it. I would wish that Ipsy would send an information card with information on all of their stuff. But it is a lip gloss. Luckily I can figure that out. And we are going to swatch it. It is pigmented, big time. I'm going to let that dry and see how it dries. last but not least, besides the bag, which I think is so cute with the little bat on the top with my little jamboree nails, a little skeleton and webs, I'm so excited for this. It says, it's Pretty Woman nail polish. Tag your Manny. And this one is Pretty Woman NYC. You can hashtag for a chance to win free nail polish. But it says, our amazing collection of nail polish has something for everyone. Choose from over 1,000 colors and textures. The innovative, fast drying, and long-lasting formula resists chipping, cracking, fading, or peeling for 10 days. I'm very picky about my nail polish because I'll paint my nails one night and they're chipped by the next day. So this is going to be a review starting sometime one of these days, and I will be doing my Tell It Like It Is on Sunday because I will be out of town on Saturday. But this is the cute little packaging. Glare from my window, and it's a deep red black color. It's not whole, like all black. I will swatch the box. Let's swatch the box. Swatch the box. I don't want to use a ton. Ooh, loving it. Loving it. Okay. I don't know if you can see the red in it, but I'm so into the dark. I can tell already that it's drying fast. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, now I want to paint my nails. Huh. Okay, let's see. The lip gloss doesn't really dry very fast, but when you smear it, it smears a little, but it doesn't seem to totally wipe off. So we'll see. This isn't a review video. This is an unboxing. I will do reviews on these. I have not decided, but I know for sure that this eyeshadow in this bag is part of October's giveaway. So go share on my page all my lives, and if you want into my beauty group on Facebook, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.